Another quality rare vehicle here at Phil Weaver Automotive in Merebrow in Preston. With 30 years trade experience, Phil is the person you can trust. 200 plus 5-star reviews on Auto Trader, with also 5-star Google reviews too. This vehicle is just a 2-owner vehicle, has a full service history, and is the desirable 1.2 petrol automatic DSG gearbox option with the Elegance trim. So you get a high line of trim anyway. These lovely alloy wheels, electric heated and folding door mirrors, electric windows, leather interior. It's probably heated. I will have a look inside and show you around. But finance, part exchange is all available, and we are open 7 days a week. We just ask that you always telephone ahead before you travel to us, just in case we've gone out to drop somebody's new car or pick something up for one of our suppliers. Lovely car, this one in silver leaf metallic. Just give you a quick view of the rear seats. Plenty of entrance there into the rear seat, and you've got the leather upholstery and the lighter coloured headlining. DAB radio, I believe. We'll have a look at that in a second as well. And yes, they are heated seats, so I was correct. Heated seats with this vehicle. Matching tyres. It has been PDI'd. All our vehicles have 100 plus point PDI and service and MOT if required. UK wide warranties are offered on all our vehicles. There is your full-size spare wheel. Locking wheel nuts and tools will all be in there. You've got a sort of very flexible rear seat position where you can have the seats up or down in 3 positions. And it's obviously Skoda, with the help of Volkswagen, who own the company, have developed this car to suit all tastes. So if you're a family person, it's a car for you. Plenty of luggage carrying capacity. You've got roof rails here. You can put a box on there, top box. Inside the car, lots of headroom, obviously. And auto lights become a feature of the car as well. Sit very high up, so from the pavement to the seat, it's not a drop down, it's a raise up. So that's very good if you've got a stiff back or your bones are aching. As we get older, all of us are getting a little bit older, aren't we? And always nice to be able to just get into a car without feeling it's been a painful experience. You won't find it a painful experience in this car. So you've got a centre console here of the radio. Let's see if it's DAB. Let's see if we can see the band. Right, correction. It's FM and AM, just missed the DAB sort of rush from about 2014-15. So it is FM radio. In sort of bonus, you do get a SD card. You also get it's MP3 compatible, but it's also a CD. Now it may or may not be multi-disc, I'm not sure on that, but the condition is very cool. I'll just turn that down because it sometimes affects the sound quality of the videos. So a lovely car, centre armrest as well. Probably have, if I just have a look, it's got an AUX port just there. So lots and lots of storage. I would say the car drives wonderfully well because you'll sit high above the road, so you've got a very good command of the road, and you have this useful box there for storage. And I like this particular feature here. This is a sunglass holder. You could adopt it for all numerous options. Sun visors with mirrors in them for the girls, even for men. Don't leave the men out. Folding mirrors, they're working. They're the mirrors, and it's 44,565 miles, absolutely guaranteed. And you have multi-function steering wheel here for volume and telephone connectivity, cruise control. So altogether, very nice car. And no unusual smells inside the vehicle, so altogether a very nice car with good all-round suitability to a couple or couple with 2 children, or a couple just on their own, or for anyone really. It's a very good all-round car. That's a 2012 Skoda Yeti 1.2 DSG automatic. There won't be that many of these around, in silver, elegance, 44,500 miles with a full service history. Available now from Phil Weaver Automotive in Merebrow in Preston, your 5-star review dealer, offering car finance, part exchange.